Okay guys, today we're going to change the air cleaner on a 2014 Subaru Forester, and it's pretty much the same on almost all Subarus, but we'll go ahead and do it on this one. I'm doing the 60,000 mile update right now on it, or maintenance schedule, which calls for changing the spark plugs, which I've already done. Admittedly, that was a bitch. But they want $700 to do this. I've got $100 invested in what they want $700 to do. And I'm using all Subaru OEM parts. The plugs are NGKs, same thing that came out of it, laser iridium plugs. So I'm not cutting any corners. I've already changed the cabin air filter. I've got a video on that if you want to see it. And oil filter and oil change on this thing is simple. I've got a link on that too if you're interested in doing that. But you can save yourself about $600 by doing this stuff yourself. So let's go ahead and get into this, and I'll show you how to change this engine air cleaner. This is 10 millimeter right here. Don't put a screwdriver on that thing. You want it tighter than that, and it's just not it's not something that is really applicable for a screwdriver. You want to go ahead and slip that off. There's a little snap right here that's a pain in the butt. As far as this goes, you just press down and pull it back and it comes right off. And you'll see what I mean here. Just unsnap it. There's hinges on the bottom. And now I'm hung up right now by this right here. Otherwise I could pull this all the way out. But I don't really need to, because the filter comes right out like that. You can see this one's pretty dirty. So we'll set this aside over here for right now. And the air box looks good in there, so I'm not gonna do anything with that. We'll go ahead and take our new one. And of course it goes like this. Just slip it in. Don't tear it or anything like that. And now all we got to do is just close it back up. And it seals right off. Get your clamp on. And that's, I believe that's, and then if you type of person that likes to put silicone on everything, you can slip some on that if you want to, but it goes on so easy, I'm not going to fool with that. I don't go by that righty-tighty, loosey-goosey or whatever. I just know that everything clockwise tightens, everything counterclockwise loosens, except for very rare occasions. And we really didn't need to take this off. That's the airflow sensor. Now you don't want to get too crazy with this hose clamp. But while we're in there, we'll check this other one over here too, which goes over here to your air box. It's a little loose, but not much. That looks good. That's it, guys. That's all there is to it. You can see it was well worth it. Let's see if I can get a little close, and you can see the trash that came out of it. Folks, I appreciate y'all watching my video, and until next time, adios.